So hello everyone, this is Supriya Dubey, a first year MBBS student at GMC Chandrapur. And as we all know that the NEET results have already been announced and we have got a very good rank on lower marks because of the paper which was tough. So today let's just discuss about the All India cutoff. I'll be making further videos regarding the Maharashtra state cutoff since I'm from Maharashtra. I'll be making the college wise cutoffs, and first of all let's just move towards the All India counseling. So you know that in every college, suppose if there are 100 seats, then 85% of the seats are reserved for those state students, and then 15% of those seats are reserved for the All India students. So let's just discuss about the 15% part. So NEET UG 2024 All India MCC Counseling first round cutoff. What was the first round cutoff of 2024? In open category, in first round, the rank was 19,603 at mark 660. Then OBC, it was 20,281 at 658. EWS, it was 23.4K at 654. SC, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 56, 1 lakh 5,000. 1 lakh 5,000 at 575, and ST 1 lakh 45,000 at 544. This was the cutoff of the first round. Now let's just move towards the second round. You know that there is the sequence is like that. First of all, round 1 of All India will be conducted, All India counseling. Then the round 1 of state counseling will be conducted. Then the round 2 of the All India counseling will be conducted, All India quota, that is All India quota it is said. Then the round 2 of the state quota will be conducted. Then similarly, round 3 and the last round, that is the stray vacancy round. In this way, it is conducted. First of all, the All India seats are filled and then the state seats are filled. So, after 15 days from the announcement or release of the results, the counseling begins. First of all, the All India counseling will begin and the first round result will be released and the ranks will be similar to this. And then after that, the state quota round 1 will be conducted. So this is the overall general idea you can have about the round 1 cutoff, which will how much rank can you expect on what marks. So accordingly you can decide and predict what college can you get. So let's just move towards the second round cutoff. This is the second round cutoff. NEET UG 2024 All India MCC Counseling MBBS second round cutoff. Let me tell you, the All India counseling or the counseling of the All India quota, it is conducted by the MCC. So you have to go and keep checking the MCC website every now and then. And for the state counseling, you have to keep checking the websites of those respective states. So let's just move towards the second round cutoff. In second round, the open category, it was 22.9K at mark 655. OBC, it was 23.3K at 655 only, not much of the difference is there. EWS, 26.7K at 650. SC, 1,25,000 at 560. ST, 1,55,000 at 536. This was the second round cutoff. After this, the second round of the state will be conducted, and then whatever seats will be left, these seats will be going. These seats will be vacant for the third round. So let's just move towards the third round cutoff. This is the last one, NEET UG 2024 All India MCC Counseling MBBS third round cutoff. That is open category. The third round was 24.8K at 652. OBC, it was 24.9K at 652. You can see open category and OBC, and right now there is not much of the difference. Like the marks are almost similar, only a rank difference is there. That is, you can see a difference of around 100 rank is there. Not much of the difference is there right now. So EWS 28.7K at 647, SC 1,22K at 553, and ST 16.6K at 527. So this was the All India quota cutoff round wise, that is round 1, round 2, round 3. I'll be making further videos regarding the top 5 colleges of the Mumbai. Subscribe this channel and stay connected. I assure you the counseling, which is very lengthy and hectic process, I'll make easier for you. Today I've discussed the All India quota cutoff, and further I'll be discussing the state cutoffs and the top round college wise cutoffs I'll be discussing. If you like this video, share this video with the person who has already cracked NEET and needs this video. Alright, now let me discuss the mark versus All India rank distribution. I know most of the people would be knowing this, and for those who don't know, just have a small crux regarding this marks versus All India rank. So this thing you all would be knowing, the All India rank 1 is at 686. Then at 650 score, the rank is 80, double digit right now this year it is on 650. Then 1.1k rank is on 603, 18k 1.8k rank is at 593, 2000 rank is at 592. At 2000, below 2000 you can easily get AIIMS. All right, actually below 4000 you can get AIIMS in open category, and then 6.6k at 565. Then further 539 marks, the rank is 17.9k, and further moving towards 28.5k rank is at 524, and this is the 20.8k is at 534. Then 41k rank is at 510, 50k rank is at 500, 55k is at 497, and the 1 lakh rank would be around 460 or 465. So this is the overall marks versus all India rank. This thing doesn't matter. What matters is your rank and your score. And if you have already got a good score and a decent rank, you don't have to worry. You just have to stay alert towards the notifications of the counseling process. And yeah, that's it. Counseling is not that tough. If you have already cracked NEET 2025, nothing is tough. You will go to the counseling process like a cakewalk. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Let's meet you in the next video. Till then, let's hustle hard. Bye-bye.